Hello, welcome to Texture With. In this session, we will learn about one more new built-in function that is percentage care. So here I have created one program. So let's go through that program. So as usual, we are writing the code in fully free format, and that's why I have specified star star free on the first position. And below to that, I have declared some control option that is no debug IO and SRC This is mainly for the debugging purpose. Below to that, I am declaring a few of the variables. Here you can see that I have declared one number variable which is of numeric type, size 2, and then I have another variable as a number str of character size 2, and then we have declared one variable by name date which is of date type. Here we will store the current date, and another variable is for storing the date str, so it is of character 30 length. Okay, so here what we will do, we will combine some date with the string and then we'll attach and hold that to date str variable. Now on line number 17, I'm just assigning some numeric value to this number variable which is 22. All right, now we will discuss about the exact definition and the syntax of the percentage char function. So first of all, we will discuss why we need percentage char. So percentage char built-in function is used to convert the expression to character. Let's say we have one variable which is of numeric type, and if we want to convert it into some string, then in that case we can use percentage char function. So same thing we are doing here in line number 24. So we are converting number variable to percentage char. So what it will do, it will convert the 22 that we have stored in number variable to characters. So now this number str variable will hold number to 22 as string. So it will be stored as this. Okay, and same thing we can do, same function we can use for date as well. So on line number 28, we are storing percentage date, means it will return the current date to this date variable which is of date type, and after that we are concatenating this with some string. So let's say if the requirement is that we want to concatenate date or number or timestamp with a string, in that case we can use this percentage char function. So what it will do, it will convert this date variable into characters, and then those characters will be added or concatenated with the string. So here current date colon, and then the date will be converted to string and attached to it, and then we are displaying it. Similarly, there is, if you observe carefully the syntax of the percentage char, so here I have written format, but this is not an mandatory parameter. This is an optional parameter. Like here we are not using for, uh, here for these two example we are not using the format, but here in the third one we are using this parameter. Why? Suppose you want to convert your date into any into characters or string, but along with that you want it to convert it into some different format. So by default it takes the riso, but if you want to convert it to any specific format, then you can pass that format name. So here I'm using star mdy. So what it will do, it will convert the date to characters in star mdy format, and then it will be concatenated to this string, and after that we are just displaying the result. And on line number 38, we are setting star inlr equals to star on. So this is the code. Now we will compile it and call it. So this compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. So firstly, here you will not be able to see those code for this variable, but when you take this program in debug mode and check what is the value of this number str, then you will find that it is a string type, not a numeric type. Second, here we concatenated the date. So this date is converted to string, and then it is attached with this string, another string, current date. So we got this output. Now in once I hit enter, it we got the third output, but here the difference is only between these two lines is here we are getting the date in mdy format because we use and we pass that format parameter with percentage char. Okay. So now it is clear that we can use percentage char to convert the numeric value, date value, timestamp value into characters or string. So this is very useful built-in function because there are many scenarios where we need to convert this string to convert the numeric date or timestamp value into some character field. So here from line number 28 to line number 36 we are doing the operation on date built-in function. So same thing you can do with percentage time as well. Like if you want to convert time into some specific format, or convert it to some characters and attach it, if you want to attach it to some characters, then you can use it for time also. And same goes with percentage timestamp. So mainly it is used for time, timestamp, numeric value. Okay. So yeah, that's how we can make use of this char built-in function. So yeah, that's it for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Summit.